are Xifra. Welcome to Xifra, guys. My name is Catalina, and I've been involved in the financial markets for about 5 years now. And I'll tell you that we really are walking into the wave of the future. We're merging some of the highest paid industries in the network marketing and financial markets industries. We're merging health, technology, finance, and you guys are coming into this at the perfect timing. I found out about this company right before the pandemic. So this is a massive, lucrative opportunity for all of you. So I'm super excited to introduce this company to you that in a very short amount of time has changed my life. We're impacting lives. And like I said, we're merging health, technology, and financial markets to provide knowledge, wellness, wealth, and most importantly, freedom. How many of you would love to have that? And I'm not talking about necessarily financial freedom, but how about time freedom? Having the time to do the things that you guys love, because we're going to show you a way to make the money that you already have grow. Have the money that you already have multiply and duplicate. You know, it's so unfortunate that in today's age, you know, we're not really taught so much about financial literacy. So I'm super excited to show you guys a different way to transact, a different way to do business, a different way to grow money, okay? We're a company, we're an investment company. This is an opportunity for you to learn how to duplicate the money you already have. So our mission is very clear. We're here to impact lives and show you how you can grow your money in the financial markets and in the cannabis plantation industry, okay? So let's get to it, guys. Let's talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. Today, it's a $246 billion industry, okay? It's gonna be part of our daily life. Fiat, paper, money, you know, I really see it very dissipating very much so in the next decade, okay? I'm seeing Bitcoin ATMs at gas stations everywhere I go, and it really is the wave of the future, okay? Right before the pandemic started, Bitcoin dropped at 3,300, and today it's at about 11,000 last time I checked. And so as you can see, you know, this is going to be a digital currency is going to be the way of doing business in the future. And we're super excited because we get to get paid in Bitcoin, okay? And you have options to convert it to your currency as you make your profits. But I just want to show you how digitally inclined we are as well as far as health and technology is concerned. We're merging a lot of interesting things here, okay? So basically what we do here at Xifra, we're participating in investment pools, okay? You get to be part of an ecosystem where you invest, and for whatever dollar you invest, you're gonna get a certain ROI on your investment, okay? The money is being put into a fund in which about 30 to 40 master traders, and we're talking about 6, 7, 8-figure traders that have traded for hedge funds, for banks, for financial institutions, some of the top traders in the world who are trading these financial markets. So the first market that these funds are being traded is in the Forex market. It's a $6.6 trillion market that is trading all the currencies in the world: the dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, the Great British Pound. And we have crypto trading, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. I'm sure you guys have heard some of these. Futures, binary options, and of course the stock market. We have Facebook, Apple, Nike, Google. Everybody talks about the stock market, but no one really talks about Forex. Forex, you know, the stock market's this big compared to the Forex market, which is this big, okay? The stock market does about 200 billion a day. So these are very lucrative markets, and you get to participate in this ecosystem, in this investment opportunity, and have these master traders duplicate your money for you without you having to ever look at charts, without you having to learn the skill set, because trading is a skill set that takes years. It takes time. So, you know, here we're basically providing, in a way, a service for you, and it's automated, hands-free. There's no monthly subscription. It's just a one-time $15 inscription fee. And I'm going to explain to you right now how this works. Many of you are probably asking yourselves, okay, so how can I double my money? All right, guys, yes, you heard me right. Double your money. You heard me right, guys. So I'm going to get into it. We have a couple lines of business here at Xifra, but I'm particularly going to focus on just two of them, which is what I find to be the most lucrative line of business right now with this company. And like I said, your money is being reinvested in the stock market, forex market, crypto trading, futures, and binary options. So what happens? How does this work? Okay, we're going to convert your investment from your local currency to Bitcoin. Most of you use Coinbase. It's the universal platform for Bitcoin. Anywhere in the world, you can transact with it. And then the moment you get started, you start earning on your investment. The very moment you get started, the very same night, guys, the very same night, you're going to get your first dividend. Your money is going to start multiplying and duplicating, and I'll explain that in the next slide. And then once you've made your profits, we convert it into Bitcoin, and then you have the option to keep Bitcoin or convert it into your local currency. You have that option. So let's talk about the plans that we're offering here, guys. This is very simple. Don't let this intimidate you. It's very, very simple, okay? Basically, whatever amount of money you invest, whatever package you guys pick, your money will double. How much does it grow? It grows anywhere between 0.5% to 2% a day, Monday through Friday. Most of these markets are closed on the weekends, so we'll only trade Monday through Friday, okay? So in about a lapse of anywhere between 8 to 12 to 14 months, just depending on market conditions, because it could be anywhere between 0.5% to 2% a day, you will double your money, okay? Personally, myself, and this is just a side note, I've been actually doubling my money on a weekly or bi-weekly basis just because I'm sharing the opportunity with other people, but that could be another conversation. I just want you to guys know that there's multiple ways to make money here. You know, I don't know about you guys, but if you're making money, wouldn't you want your mom, your best friend, your neighbor, and your cousin to also make money? Absolutely. So, you know, that's completely optional. But what I love about this company is there's no monthly subscription and you don't need to recruit anybody. Regardless of whatever you decide to do here with us here at Xifra, your money will multiply. Okay? It will duplicate. I don't know about you guys, but when you deposit $3,000 at Bank of America and you came back to it a year later, how much money will you find in that account? $3,000 and maybe even less because they charge you monthly banking fee, right? Well, you know, guys, you might as well put your money under a mattress, okay? Because your money is not doing anything for you at Bank of America. And I'm sorry to say that, okay? I don't know about you guys, but if you went to a financial advisor or a Series 6 portfolio manager and you ask them, hey, you know, where's the best place for me to invest my money? They're probably going to tell you, hey, a mutual fund. Well, let me tell you, the best mutual funds in America maybe make you 12% a year. Here, you're seeing those kinds of returns every single month, okay? Since we've started, we're seeing an average of anywhere between 10 to 15% monthly returns on your money. Beautiful thing is that you get paid out daily and you can withdraw Tuesdays and Thursdays. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I am withdrawing my profits, my dividends. And so by participating in this ecosystem, we're all supporting an investment opportunity for you guys to duplicate your money. So these are the packages. Whatever you invest will double in about, I guess, average 10 to 14, 15 month time frame, even less maybe, depending on the market conditions of the day, anywhere between 0.5% to 2% a day. So let's get into, I don't want to go too much into the compensation plan, but I will debrief you guys, like just briefly overview it. If you guys refer this to anybody and they get started, you would make an 8% on their investment that very same night. You would get paid, okay? It would accelerate your own original package. So if you invested $3,000 and you brought someone on board and 8% of whatever their investment was would get sped up to you that very day. So this is another way to make money in this company. If any of those people bring anybody else on board, you would get 2%. And like I said, guys, this is optional. This part of the business is completely optional. What we care about here at Xifra is for you to see results for yourself in your own trading account. And this is obviously another conversation to be had at some other point, but there's, like I said, many ways to make money here. They have the compensation plan is very attractive, very generous, and very lucrative. So, you know, we'll be having more in-depth calls about, you know, about how that works. And we do have ranks in the company as well, and prizes and very cool things like that. Let's talk a little bit now about the plantation funds. You probably came on this call because someone told you there was an opportunity to invest in plantation, a cannabis plantation investment. And this is the second package that I was referring to you guys about. The first package is the money that's being traded in the top financial markets in the world. Now, these funds work a little different. It's being reinvested in cannabis. For every dollar that's being invested in cannabis, they are making $100. Okay, so you know, if they're making $100 for every dollar, and you're getting $1 of that pie, there's a piece of pie for everyone here, okay? We are compounding our money. Albert Einstein said that the eighth wonder of the world is compound interest. He who understands compound interest gets paid in compound interest. He who does not understand compound interest will pay compound interest till the day he dies. So, you know, it all comes down to financial literacy. This is not an expense. This is an investment towards your future. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So if time and money is an excuse and you only have 1 stream of income, I would really think twice or 3 times about the way you are managing your finances, and have more of an open mind, because really it does take 7 streams of income average to make those 6 and 7 figures. If that is your goal, then you know that you're in the right place and at the right time, okay? So cannabis plantations, all right, let's get into it. So it's an industry that generates billions of dollars. We really recently, Business Insider came out with an article saying that the cannabis business industry will be $110 billion market by 2024. Okay, $100 billion market. Okay, I really believe, this is just my opinion, there's going to be a huge recession in the United States, and I believe cannabis is going to save the economy. I believe cannabis will be the salvation of the U.S. economy, and they'll be forced to legalize, you know, cannabis, manufacturing cannabis. And this company also sells CBD products. In this particular call, we're not necessarily going over the products that we sell, but we do have amazing CBD products, and also we have ketones and other things that we'll have other calls to present that launch. But the real money is in the plantations, okay? So these are the packages. These packages work a little different than the investment, the first investment opportunity that I showed you guys. So here with these packages, whatever you're investing, you're gonna get 140% return on your investment, divided into 24 payments, okay? You're gonna get 24 installments of your capital plus 140%. Right now we have about 1,000 acres and growing between California, Colorado. This slide is actually outdated. We also have land in Texas, and you know, this market's a booming market, so you know, there's so much room for growth and so much pie for everyone. Imagine investing $15,000 and receiving in a lapse of 24 months $36K. I don't know about you, but I don't know which bank does that for you. Like, what bank compounds your money like that? It doesn't exist. You know, you guys are so lucky to be on this call, because this is very new new business model, new information that hasn't really, you know, been put out there that much. There's only a small fraction of millennials that are tapping into these growing markets, and the largest transfers of wealth are happening now. You know, for example, if you guys start with a $2,500 package, 140% of that would be 3,500. So you would get $6,000 in a 24-month installment payout. You get paid once a month. You get paid in Bitcoin, like I said. And hey, you know, if you don't want to get paid in Bitcoin, that's absolutely good as well. You can use Cash App. Many of you have Cash App. You can convert the Bitcoin instantly in dollars and send it to yourself instantly using Cash App. So there's many apps and wallets that we can use to transact from Bitcoin to any currency of your preference. And yeah, basically those are the two main packages. So we have the cannabis plantations. You grow your money 140%, paid out in 24 installments. And then you have the financial market packages where you double your money in about a year. And there's no monthly subscription sites. Like I said, guys, this is a one-time thing. You have a username and a password, and you'll see your growth. And in fact, I'd love to share. I'd love to share my how it looks like. And I'm logging in. And as I log in, we'll continue going over the rest of the. So now let's say you want to do the business of this and you want to get other people involved. Well, you would make on the first level 10% of whatever they invested, and 3 and 2 and so forth. And you know, there's also ranks in this company. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this looks like. And how powerful this is. You know, I've never seen anything like it. So I actually just started this package about a week ago, a $3,000 package. It's been 6 or 7 days, and of course I'm doing the business side of it, but just to show you guys how the back office looks like. So your investment package would appear here to the right, and then you know your total. So I invested 3,000, I'm gonna receive 6,000. I've already been paid out 57%. On your wallet for Coinbase or Cash App would be connected here to your back office, where you can do all of your withdrawals. As you can see, I've been withdrawing every couple days or so. And yeah, guys, you know, pretty much this concludes what this is all about. Here at Xifra, we're here to impact lives. We're here to teach you financial literacy. You know, right now we're going through difficult times in the economy and in the world, and we want to empower people financially and teach them different ways to grow the money they already have. Right now we have about 20,000 investors already making money with us, making daily dividends. And you know, you get paid out on a weekly liquidity, and you get to scale as well. You know, you can always upgrade from your original package to the next and just pay the difference. That's how I've been doing it, and how I've been able to, you know, grow this business in a matter of 3 weeks. I already grew this to an organization of 200 people, and I'm just here to serve you guys. I'm so excited for all of you. Go back to the person that invited you to this call. If you're interested to get started, reach out to the person that invited you, and we'd love to onboard you and welcome you to our team, to our family, and grow as a community. And we're so excited. Thank you for chiming in with us today, and we'll see you next week. We will be doing these calls on a weekly basis. Also in the next week, Hector, Kyle, and I will be releasing a Spanish and English schedule and we're here to definitely grow and expand together. So anything you guys need, let us know, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much.